Have you ever looked at your dinner plate and thought, wow, that's a lot of colors? The vegetable world is like a giant art box. Vibrant greens, fiery reds, sunny oranges, and deep purples. But why are veggies so colorful? It's not just to make salads look pretty. There's cool science at work. The secret? Tiny molecules called pigments. They're the artists behind every vegetable's unique hue. Spinach is as green as a forest, tomatoes are blazing red, and bell peppers can be yellow, orange, or purple. Each color tells a story about sunlight, energy, and survival. These colors are clues to the incredible things happening inside the plant. Next time you're in the produce aisle, remember, you're looking at nature's scientific masterpieces powered by the sun. We're about to become color detectives, uncovering the clues hidden in every leaf, stem, and root. It's a world filled with names like chlorophyll, carotenoids, and anthocyanins. Don't worry about the big words, we'll break it all down. Science is about curiosity and adventure, so let's dive into the rainbow on your plate. Every color you see in a vegetable is a clue about the nutrients inside. It's nature's way of color-coding our food for health. By the end, you'll see your veggies in a whole new light, and appreciate every colorful bite as a bit of plant-powered magic. Let's get started. Let's start with the most common color in the plant kingdom. Green. Think spinach, broccoli, kale, and green beans. Their secret? Chlorophyll, a pigment that's a tiny solar panel and the reason plants can make their own food. Without chlorophyll, life on Earth would be impossible. Plants use chlorophyll to absorb sunlight and perform photosynthesis, turning water and carbon dioxide into sugar, their food. Chlorophyll absorbs red and blue light but reflects green, which is why we see green leaves. Inside plant cells, chloroplasts are packed with chlorophyll. Think of them as the plant's kitchens. Every green leaf is a sun-powered food factory in action. The green color is a sign the plant is busy making energy and growing. That's why so many leaves are green. From trees to parsley, chlorophyll is always at work. In fall, leaves change color because the plant stops making chlorophyll, revealing other pigments. But for most of their life, plants are all about that green thanks to chlorophyll. So next time you see a green veggie, remember, you're looking at a living solar panel. Chlorophyll is the ultimate symbol of life and growth. That's the power of green. Now let's move to the warmer side of the color wheel. Think orange carrots, sweet potatoes, and red tomatoes. These colors come from carotenoids, not chlorophyll. Carotenoids are nature's way of painting with sunshine, responsible for yellows, oranges, and reds. They're found inside plant cells and help with photosynthesis as accessory pigments, absorbing light that chlorophyll can't. Carotenoids also act as natural sunscreen, protecting plants from too much sun. In veggies like carrots, these pigments are stored in the root, giving them their intense color. There are many types. Beta-carotene makes carrots orange, and lycopene gives tomatoes their red. When we eat beta-carotene, our bodies turn it into vitamin A. So, carotenoids aren't just for show, they boost energy production and protect plants. The next time you crunch a carrot, thank the hard-working carotenoids. They're the plant's backup singers and bodyguards. Carotenoids make the produce aisle a vibrant, healthy place. That's the magic of orange, yellow, and red. Now for the deep purples, blues, and dark reds, think eggplant, red cabbage, and beets. These colors come from anthocyanins, pigments dissolved in the cell sap. Anthocyanins are chemical chameleons. Their color changes with the cell's pH. Acidic? They look red. Neutral? Purple? Alkaline? Blue, or even greenish. Squeeze lemon on red cabbage and watch the color change, a live chemistry experiment. Anthocyanins protect plants from UV light and act as antioxidants, keeping them healthy under stress. Their vibrant colors attract animals to spread seeds and sometimes deter pests. So anthocyanins are multi-talented protection, advertising, and defense. The beautiful purples and reds are more than just eye-catching, they're vital for plant survival. That's the secret behind the mysterious hues in your veggies. These pigments are more than just pretty, they're survival tools. Chlorophyll is the plant's engine, powering photosynthesis and feeding the world. Carotenoids are bodyguards, protecting plants from sun damage and boosting energy efficiency. Anthocyanins are shields and signals defending against stress, attracting pollinators and deterring pests. Each pigment plays a specialized role, helping plants thrive in their environment. Plants can't run or hide, so they rely on these pigments for protection and success. The green, orange, and purple you see are signs of clever plant strategies. These colors show how plants interact with their world and ensure their survival. Pigments are the plant's built-in superpowers. Next time you see a colorful veggie, remember, it's a survivor's story. That's the science behind every bite. Here's the best part. Plant pigments are good for us too. The same compounds that protect plants can help protect our bodies. Eating a variety of colorful veggies means borrowing their defensive shields. Eat the rainbow isn't just pretty advice, it's science. Green veggies with chlorophyll are packed with nutrients like folate, iron, and calcium. Carotenoids in orange and red veggies become vitamin A in our bodies, supporting vision and immunity. Lycopene in tomatoes is a powerful antioxidant. Anthocyanins in purple foods help fight cell damage and support brain and heart health. Mixing colors on your plate means getting a spectrum of protective compounds. A colorful salad is more than tasty, it's a health boost. Each color brings unique benefits. Eating the rainbow is a simple way to stay healthy and strong. So there you have it. The colorful world of vegetables is pure science in action. Every color tells a story. Green for energy, orange and red for protection, purple for defense and attraction. These pigments help plants survive and help us thrive. By eating a variety of colors, you're giving your body a toolkit of nutrients. Next time you eat, see your plate as a delicious science experiment. Can you spot the pigments at play? Appreciate the journey from sun-powered plant to superfood on your fork. The world of veggies is beautiful, fascinating, and healthy. Understanding the science behind their colors makes every meal more meaningful. So fill your cart with a rainbow and enjoy the taste of science. Eating your veggies is awesome.